So they both have a last name of M, so 8 minus 8 is 0. Yeah, and the last name is M. Okay, let's look at the next one. I got 10n minus 7n. Okay, who can we put together?
10 and 7.
10 and 7, they both have a last name of what? N. So 10 minus 7 is 3, and it has a last name N. Okay, the next page is all distributing. Okay, what's distribute mean? Starts with an M. Multiplication. Okay, it's not that hard. Okay, but some of you guys are going to need a calculator. So negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Negative 2 times negative 4, positive 8. And how many x's?
1.
1.
So I did it wrong. I know I did it wrong.
So some of you guys from grading the other day, you got the process right. You did the boom, boom, okay, like that, but you accidentally added, okay, and you would say 2 plus 4 is 6, okay? So remember, it's multiplication. Anytime you see parentheses in mathematics, it means multiplication, okay? So this one, 3 times 4 is 12, and how many x's?
1.
3 times negative 9 is going to be negative. 9 times 3 is what?
27.
27. Okay, so those all so far has been a review. This is new. Okay, this next part is new. Okay, so always you're going to distribute first. So that's going to be your first step. So negative 9 times 1 is negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 6 is going to be plus 54n. Okay, and then over here we have this minus 8. Okay, we don't actually distribute to that because it's not inside the parentheses. And so you need to write that one down. Okay, so we've distributed. Now we're ready to combine our like terms. So what can we combine?
The negative 9 and the negative 8.
Yeah, so we can put this guy together with this guy. Okay, they both have a last name of nothing. So negative 9. So on your calculator, we type in 9 negative minus 8. Okay, and you should get, for these two, a negative 17. And then who else do we have up there?
54.
The 54. So you're just going to say plus 54n.
How will we do it on 10? This is like the other way around.
It's going to be like negative 5 gets distributed.
And then we just add it at the end.
Yeah, so you can drop the 10 down, so 10. Negative 5 times 8 is going to be negative 40. Negative 5 times positive 8 is going to be negative 40. Okay. And then what can you put together?
Negative 40 and 10.
Negative 40 and 10, and that's going to give me a negative 30 minus 40k.
Ooh, oh my God.
What?
That was a bug.
What the hell?
This is my paper and it started flying.
You scared the crap out of me.
I don't like bugs.
Okay, so let's look at 11. Okay, so the 3r, it's not by the parentheses, so you can drop that down. So you're going to say minus 3r. Okay, and then we're ready to distribute. So 9 times r is 9r. 9 times 10 is going to be 90. What can you put together?
90 and negative 3.
9.
No, 3 and negative 9. Negative 3 and 9.
-3 and 9 to give me what? So on your calculator, type in -3 plus 9.
Equals 6.
6, and what's his last name? R
Plus 90.
plus 90. Okay, 13, what gets dropped down? Automatically, what gets dropped down?
7.
The 7. Okay, so drop the 7 down, because he's hanging out by himself. And so you're going to say 4 times 6, 24a. 4 times -6 is -24. What can we put together?
7 and -24.
7 and -24 to give me what? -17?
Yeah.
So -17
Plus 24.
plus 24 what?
A.
A. Good. Okay, 15, what gets dropped down?
7.
The 7. Okay, so drop the 7 down. So you got -6 times B.
Equals -6.
B.
Yeah.
-6 times 2.
12. -12.
-12. What gets put together?
The -12 and 7.
-12 and 7 to give me what?
-19.
No.
Or +19.
No. 7.
What?
-5.
Oh, I don't know why I did that. Like, it was in the calculator.
You must not have typed it in right.
Yeah, I didn't clear it.
Oh, from the last one?
Yeah, that's why I did that.
Okay, look at 17. What gets dropped down?
-3x.
Yeah, so this -3x gets dropped down. Okay, so -3 times 9x
Equals -27.
-27x. -3 times a -2. What's a negative times a negative?
Positive. So
3 times 2,
6.
6. What can we combine? What gets put together?
The -3x,
-3x and a 27x, because why? What is their last name?
x.
X. So a negative, you're going to type in 27 and hit the negative. Okay, and then you say -3.
Equals
-30x. And what?
6.
Plus 6. Okay, 19. What gets dropped down?
9x.
The 9a. Okay, he's the lonely guy hanging out. And then we got -3 times a. Give me -3a. -3 times 8. -24. And what can you put together?
-3 and 9a.
And 9 to give me what?
6a.
6a. And what?
-24.
-24. Okay, you guys go through, do all the even ones.